How to restore archived stories on Instagram. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to restore archived stories on Instagram. If you have hidden some of your stories in the archive and want to bring them back, I have got you covered. So let's get started. First, open the Instagram app and make sure you are logged into your account. Tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner, then tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. From there, select Archive. In the Archive section, you will see your stories archive by default. If it's not showing, tap the drop-down menu at the top and select Stories Archive. To restore a story, tap on the one you want, then tap the three dots in the bottom right corner so you can either save it as a new story or add it to your highlights by selecting Add to Highlight. And that's it. Restoring your archived stories on Instagram is super simple. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up or subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and we will see you again in the next video.